So you have not been to the hospital as yet?
Man killed at his home in Clarendon days after state of emergency announced. Taxi passengers injured in Manchester two-vehicle crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 44-year-old man was shot dead by unknown assailants while at his home in Clarendon on Saturday. The incident brings to 2 the number of people killed in the parish over the last 3 days, in spite of a 14-day state of emergency imposed in the parish last Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as Carlon Campbell of Elgin District, Clarendon. Reports from the Chapelton Police are that about 9 p.m., residents heard loud explosions sounding like gunshots and alerted the police. On arrival of the lawmen, Campbell's body was seen lying in a pool of blood in his home. He was transported to the hospital, where he was confirmed dead. More details to come following further investigations. Several passengers of a public passenger vehicle were hospitalized Saturday night following a two-vehicle crash on the Winston-Jones Highway near Mandeville. Reports are that the crash involved a Toyota Ice operated as the taxi and a Toyota Prado. It is reported that the incident happened about 7:30 p.m.